Dancing Queen, feel the beat from the embassy. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can guide, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch the beat in our dancing queen. Now we have found a new word for money, money, money. We call it devi, devi, devi. Devi, devi, devi. Must be many things you feel for him. Devi, devi, devi. Now you're married with the man of your dreams. We congratulate you to your wedding, wedding, wedding. Wish you all the best. So we say thank you for inviting to this special wedding. Thanks for all the joy you're bringing. We can't live without you. We say in all honesty. What would Swedish embassy be without a colleague like Devi? What